Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be going over the equipment we use to clear our residential snow customers, when we use each piece of equipment, and the purpose they serve. Because no two snow events are the same, our team members utilize a variety of equipment to service our customers. Each piece of equipment serves a specific purpose to help improve our efficiency and service quality. From light and fluffy dustings up to 5 centimeters of snow, crews utilize our heavy-duty commercial backpack blowers. These blowers are our most efficient piece of equipment and provide the best looking results, leaving your service areas down to pavement instantly. To tackle packed down snow, heavy wet snow, or deep snow, our crews switch out to commercial grade shovels and single stage snow blowers. The shovels our teams use have a UHMW polyethylene cutting edge. Polyethylene shovels maintain a nice sharp edge to remove all but the hardest packed snow and ice from your service areas. Polyethylene is also non-marking, so your decks and patio areas will not get damaged. Our single stage snow blowers feature a hardened plastic cutting edge that is also non-marking, so it won't chip or scratch pavement areas. The auger is made of rubber paddles that can clean down to pavement and are in a compact frame to make getting through tight areas and down narrow walkways much easier and safer. Finally, we have truck-mounted plows. This piece of equipment is reserved only for the largest of snow events that span over several days. Crews use the truck-mounted plows to quickly open up driveways and maintain access to your home in case of an appointment or emergency. The plow trucks are only used to move the bulk of snow on your driveway. Following the end of a snow event, crews return to touch up a customer's property with shovels and snow blowers. Each truck is also outfitted with a bin of our Eco Ice Melt, an ice scraper, and a salt spreader if required. This allows us to maintain a property down the pavement for everyone enrolled in our ice management program. To improve mobility and efficiency, trucks are outfitted with only the equipment needed to clear the current snow event. We use the weather forecast to determine the equipment our crews will use ahead of time. We also outline the equipment that will be used in our email notifications. This keeps our customers informed and our trucks efficient, allowing our crews to reach your property faster and provide a better experience. I want to thank you guys again for choosing Terrace this winter season. If you want to find out more about our services and features, check out some of our other how-to series videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. Also, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. What do you want to learn about next? Let me know in the comments down below.